Hey guys! So today I wanted to come on and demo and review some lipsticks for you guys. The lipstick that I'm going to be reviewing today are the LipSense lipsticks, and these are the ones that Yasmi and Disu are promoting. And long story short, I became interested in these because I went to Portland with Dee and Yasmi and Brian, and we had a concert there. And we had a blast. Shout out to the Portland crew. Thank you so much for having us. But the lipstick that I wore that night, usually when I like to perform, is a MAC lipstick. So at the end of the night, we were all eating dinner, and I noticed that Yasmi and Dee's lipsticks were still on. My lipstick was slowly disappearing, and Dee was like, hey, Treasure, if you're interested, we have some of these lipsticks that we're going to be selling, and they're the best lipsticks that I've come across. And she showed me, she had on this really beautiful red lipstick, and she rubbed her fingers with it and it didn't come off. So I bought some from Yasmi, and they come in this cute little package. It's a pink package, and what you get in the package is, it comes in this cute little bag with, seems to be instructions in the back, and I decided to buy 3 colors. So I bought Hurricane Red, Rosé All Day, and Napa. So these are the LipSense lipsticks, but if you're a first-time buyer like me, then you'll also need to purchase the Oops Remover and the moisturizing gloss. So a set like that, I ended up buying 3 colors and the remover and the gloss. So we're gonna test it out today because price range. Okay, let's talk about price. So for each lipstick, it's $25 per lipstick. Then the gloss itself will be $20, and then the remover is $10. So they are on the pricier side, because I know that a MAC lipstick costs about I think $18 is a normal MAC lipstick, but these are long wearing, and you would only use this on the nights that you would need long wearing lipsticks. Okay, so it's like a pamphlet, and it tells you everything that you kind of need to know about their product. So, and it says shake the LipSense color. So today, I think I'm going to do Hurricane Red, just so that we can see more. Oh, and it has something in there too. Apply a thin, even coat, moving in one direction. Okay. So I just broke the seal. And it smells almost like perfume. Okay, so I immediately do feel the tingling that they're talking about. The color payoff is really nice. The thing about these LipSense is that it doesn't have the texture of a liquid lipstick. It almost has the texture of, it's a lot thinner. Ooh, and it's kind of sticky. And it also has the texture of kind of like a lip stain, where it's more liquidy. Let's see. I can tell, if I look closely in the mirror, that it does need a few layers, because it does go on patchy. It doesn't go on extremely opaque, but I think it's because, like I said, it's more like a lip stain. So I really like it because it could be buildable. So at this point, I have applied about 3 layers of the color, and I've been sitting here kind of like fanning my lips. And I think it's dry, but it's still kind of sticky. But I think this is the driest it gets, because I've been fanning my lips in between application. And I think it's safe to say we can put the gloss on now. I found that I really didn't need to use the remover for this step, because I actually really like the applicator on this. The tip is extremely thin, that it can really draw your lips well. So far, I really like the color payoff. So let's try this. Ooh, it's pretty. Okay. Okay. Oh, that did remove the stickiness. Okay. So that removed the stickiness completely. And this gloss is not sticky at all. It kind of feels like those lip glosses that when you press your lips together and then they kind of stick. This just feels silky and smooth. And look, I put it over the red lipstick and there's nothing on the tip. Like there's no visible lipstick on the tip. So that means that my lip color must have fully dried. And let's see if it comes off. So I'm going to kiss the back of my hand and see if it comes off. And there's no lip color coming off. So yeah, we'll see how long this lasts throughout the day. Right now, let's see, it's 3:18 and I will be back in a few hours to check up on this lipstick. But so far, I'm actually really loving it now. It makes me want to try the other colors, but I'm really glad I tried the red so that I can really see if it stays throughout the day. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hi guys. Okay, so right now it is 8:18. Can you see? And I just wanted to come on and update you guys on how the lipstick's going. Let's see. I think it still looks nice. It's getting a little bit crackly, but I think it's because I haven't reapplied the lip gloss. But overall, I think it feels great. I feel like it's not really on my lips anymore. It doesn't have that sticky tacky feeling anymore. On the plus side, it also stayed moisturized all day and I don't feel the drying on my lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and reapply the moisturizer. I'm not gonna apply as much as last time anymore because I feel like the moisturizer has really sunk into my lips. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And I think it's doing well overall. We'll check back later on tonight to see how it wears throughout the rest of the night. But so far, I really love it actually. What it was earlier on in the beginning while I was eating dinner, I was able to kind of taste the moisturizer. And that's one thing I didn't like, but I was really impressed because even when I wiped my napkin, the red lipstick didn't come off. Most of it, I think putting the lip gloss before eating, obviously you're gonna taste it a little bit, but it really does protect your lipstick. So yeah, we'll see how it wears for the rest of the night, and this is what it looks like after it's been like 5 hours. Okay, you guys, so right now it is 10:59, so it's about 11 o'clock, and that means the lipstick has been on from anywhere between 7 to 8 hours, and you guys be the judge of it. Honestly, I think that I like it. It is a lipstick that I probably won't wear every single day, but it's something that I will wear to events. If I wanted that lipstick that stays on all day, this will be one of the lipsticks that I do gravitate towards because I feel like this lipstick, like I was telling you guys, it's not like a normal liquid lipstick. The formulation is definitely thinner and it just really clings onto your lips, I think, because it is a thinner formula. And now when it comes to the moisturizing gloss, I think I reapplied this only twice today, and I really like this gloss because it's not like those lip glosses where when you put it on and then it's windy and your hair gets stuck on your lip gloss and it's just sticky and it feels unpleasant on the lips. This is not one of these. These are the glosses that kind of, once you put it on, it sinks into your lips and it feels really comfortable and it's totally wearable. And like I was saying, this lip gloss, I reapplied it twice, and as you guys can still tell, there's no trace of the lipstick on the applicator whatsoever. So that means that the lipstick completely did dry down, and every time you apply the gloss, it doesn't ruin your gloss for the next colors that you bought because it doesn't stick onto the applicator. So that's something I do like about it. The one con for me was that once I did put on the color, I did get that tingling burning sensation that I was talking about due to the cosmetic alcohol that's in this. And they say that it goes away after the gloss is applied, and it does go away after the gloss is applied, so that's really good. But because it doesn't just feel like those lip plumpers that you put on, it feels like it's burning, and it's a sensation that I can't get used to, and I haven't gotten used to yet. But I think that after you use it for a while, I feel like the burning might go away. I think the skin is just trying to get used to the ingredient that's in there, but it does definitely go away right after you use the moisturizing lip gloss. And I think that was the only true con about it that I felt like, because I was kind of skeptic when I first put it on, and it tells you to do layer by layer and let it dry, and I felt like it wasn't drying down completely. Like, it doesn't dry down to a complete smooth dry where like it's dry now where you put your lips together and you don't feel any tugging. So I was kind of skeptical, but the moment I put on the moisturizer, I felt like everything was normal. It's a good lipstick and it will stay on your lips. If you're looking for a matte lipstick, like completely matte, dries down matte, and stays on all night, then I don't know if this lipstick is for you, because I don't know if using this by itself would be a good idea. Because this is probably as dry as I can get the lipstick, and this is after wiping my lips a few times, and you see it still kind of has a sheen to it in the light, so it definitely does not completely dry down matte. And I think that the beauty of it is actually having the lip gloss on it, because it just brings a new dimension to the lipstick. Would I repurchase these? I think I would repurchase these. $25 per lipstick is a pretty hefty price for a lipstick, but the thing is I don't think I would wear this lipstick every single day. I think that I would reserve it for the days that I know I need a lot of staying power. I don't think this will run out very quickly. I don't think that it's going to be like $25 and then you use this for a week and it's done and you have to repurchase it again. I think this will last you, so I think that I would repurchase it for $25. Honestly, the color is beautiful. This is one of the most beautiful reds. This is Hurricane Red that I've ever used, and I genuinely dig these lipsticks. So if you guys have not picked these up yet, then go ahead and contact Yasmi or Sue, or if you guys know anyone else who sells LipSense, then go ahead and try it, because makeup is different on everybody. It's different on everybody's skin. It's gonna react differently to me than it will react to you. I do recommend it be something that you try, and if you're not into it, then you don't have to buy it. But it's something I would definitely repurchase. And the last thing that I want to do is test out the Oops Remover, because like I said, this applicator was so good that I didn't need to clean up any lines with this. So I want to test to see if it would remove, if not better, just as good as like your normal makeup wipes lip. So for the bottom lip, I'm going to apply the Oops Remover and follow the steps on removal. And for the top lip, I'm gonna try using just some plain old makeup wipes, and we'll see which one works better. Let's test this Oops Remover real quick, okay? So here, while we let this sit on our lips, I'm so nervous. I've never seen a lipstick come with like its own remover. Okay, so apply this generously. Oh, I think it's working. It came on the applicator. You see, this is the problem that I did not get with the lip gloss, but I think because this is removing the color, it's clearly gonna happen here. So I'm gonna let that sit for a minute, and then we're gonna go in with our simple wipes and just try to clean the top, and let's see which one has the better. Let's see which one has the better. Oh wow, look, it doesn't really come off. Look at that. I'm like rubbing. Not bad. It clearly is not removing like really easy. It's putting up a fight. Let's Let's try this wet cloth. I warmed a wet cloth right here. Let's see. It came. Okay. So that's the verdict. I'm not even gonna try to scrub my lips anymore. I'm just going to apply some more. That's so crazy. Yeah, so now that I've used everything in the line, I think that this is definitely a lipstick I would repurchase. But yeah, check these out. These are called LipSense by Scene Gents, long-lasting liquid lip color. I personally do think that the moisturizing lip gloss and the remover is essential. So if you're a first-time buyer and you just want to try a color, then buy the color you want and buy these two too, because as you can see, this lipstick is not coming off without the remover, and this moisturizing lip gloss is probably one of my favorite things in the entire bunch because it just is so comfortable on the lips, and you guys have to give this a try, okay? So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys like it. Like and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't. Click that notification bell so you know when I will be posting next, and I will see you guys in the next video, guys.